Tonight we are in Las Vegas, Nevada, and one thing I found out about Las Vegas is everyone here wants your money, and we have fell into the trap. Tonight we have booked 2 seats at the world famous Sphere in Las Vegas. This was a very steep price to get into this place. Is it worth it or is it not? Well, we'll let you know after we go check it out. Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. It's very windy out here, but we are in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are at the Sphere. This is one of the largest of its kind in the world. Miss Debbie and I have booked a show here tonight, and we are going to go inside. There's no filming allowed inside the theater itself, but I think I can do something with my phone. So we're gonna try to do that, and we'll go ahead and get started right away. This is kind of very futuristic, and this fella here, he looks like War of the Worlds. In fact, look, it is. This is Gort. It's $135 to get in here, and then there was a $44 surcharge. So that's times 2 for both of us. So far we've seen a few robots and they're pretty cool. This is like being in a science fiction movie. I expect to see Arnold Schwarzenegger trying to catch a ride on a rocket to the moon here in a little bit. See these colors on the floor. Every shade I stay in, you hear a different voice. That's kind of jumbled. Let's over here.
64,000 speakers to create a personalized auditory event. This means that even if the source...
The neat thing about these speakers is they're divided up, and in each area you can hear a different language. So like where I'm standing now, this is Mandarin, but over here this is English.
Sobre México es su comida, especialmente los tacos. Es fascinante cómo los humanos combinan ingredientes simples para crear algo tan delicioso y culturalmente significativo. I understand it's a vibrant and expressive language. It's fascinating how humans create such unique dialects that reflect their culture and history. I often wonder how you decide which words to blend and which to keep distinct. Is it like creating a recipe where you mix ingredients until the flavor is just right?
And here is a hologram inside this glass globe. Oh, it's not working.
Creators with an exceptional amount of control over their sound previously unheard of. Allow me to share more about Sphere's immersive sound system, which I greatly admire. Let me demonstrate using the speakers behind me. Kindly find your way to one of the 4 spotlights located on. We'll create an auditory experience like no other. You will hear a different instrument in each spotlight. In Spotlight 1, saxophone. In Spotlight 2, guitar. In
These robots, they're talking, and these speakers sound different if you stand at different spaces. There's little lights on the floor, and you can hear the guitar sound in one area, and in another area you hear the piano sound. Another area you hear a saxophone sound. It's kind of cool.
Accessibility. So I'm going to have everyone take a big step back so we can keep this open.
2, guitar. In Spotlight 3, piano. And in Spotlight 4, B3 organ. As the track plays, walk or dance from one spotlight to another. Get ready to be amazed.
So that light, it's on a flat screen, but the rotating and it makes it appear that it's 3-dimensional. We are fixing to go into where our seats are. Just a little bit of information about the sphere. It is 366 feet tall, 513, I believe, wide, making this the largest spherical building in the world. Here's some interesting information. If you get a Pepsi at the Sphere, it is $7. Let's see, the domestic beer, $18, and premium beer, $19. Okay, so far this is inside the Sphere. That is a screen, and it's taller than a IMAX screen. But here's the seats, and look at all the folks all around. This thing starts out, it's basically a movie, and it looks like it's just on a giant IMAX screen, but then it gets big. This planet is like unreal. It's all around you, overhead and everything. You can't catch it all on camera, but you're immersed in it. Just like right here, it looks like these animals are at the top of the trees. The seats that we have, they are, I don't know what you call it, but wind comes out, you have smells, they vibrate, so you really feel like you're part of it. If somebody drops something, you feel it vibrate. It's almost like you are in the picture. This is outside, and it doesn't show on camera because it's pixelated. It's cool. The Sphere?
Yep.
What did you think, Debbie?
I thought it was good. I don't know that it's worth $350 something for that, but
No, at the island in Pigeon Forge, there's something very similar to this. Dollywood used to have something I think called Soarin'. I believe Disney World did. It's on a little smaller scale.
Yeah.
However, this Sphere, from what I understand, you can put the Statue of Liberty in it from base to the top of the torch, and it'll fit in it. Also, the U.S. Capitol will fit in it. So it is huge, and they got to pay for this thing.
I mean, I agree. I mean, it was something that you need to do at least once.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, but we've been there, done that, and no thank you, ma'am, I ain't buying a t-shirt.
No, we didn't buy a t-shirt.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Debbie's got something she wants to tell you.
Please subscribe, help our channel grow, click the like button, and share with your family and friends.
That's right, y'all do that, but until next time, y'all have
A good day.